Good morning, students. Today we are going to start a new chapter, that is lesson number 4, Formatting in Microsoft Word 2007. Let's continue this chapter. Before starting our chapter, let's see a quick introduction on Microsoft Word, that how we can open the Microsoft Word and so.
Starting Microsoft Word. Click on Start button. Click on All Programs. Click on Microsoft Office. Click on MS Office Word 2010. The Word application opens a blank document with the temporary name Document 1. File tab, Quick Access Toolbar, Title bar, Minimize button, Maximize button, Document area, Close button, Ribbon, Status bar. The small blinking vertical line that you notice on the screen is known as the insertion point or cursor. It indicates the position where the next typed character will appear. As you start typing, the cursor automatically shifts to the right. We can enter text on the same screen or create a new document. Alright students, to create a shortcut of Microsoft Word, drag its icon to the desktop.
To start Microsoft Word, we have to follow 4 steps. First step, click on the Start button that is present on the task bar. When we click on the Start button, a Start menu will appear on the screen. Second step, select the All program from the Start menu. Third step, select the Microsoft Office. And fourth step, select the Microsoft Office Word 2007, 2010 or any version you are having. By default, the document that appears first on the Microsoft Word while we open it, that is named as or temporarily named as Document 1. We see a vertical line that appears on our document area. That black vertical line is known as cursor or insertion point. Document area is the place where we are going to do all our documentation work. And the cursor is going to guide us where our typed letter is going to be placed on the documentation area.
Features in Microsoft Word 2010. Microsoft Word is a word processor that helps you to create documents with a professional outlook. It not only provides the facility to type and modify the text, but it also offers features to enhance the overall appearance of the text.
Microsoft Word is an application software that is used for word processing. It was introduced by Microsoft Corporation. Microsoft has the power and flexibility to produce letter, report, notice, newsletters, etc. It does all the documentation work, and it also provides us facility to beautify our text by using different types of color, style, font size, border, etc.
You can find and replace the text, set the page appearance as per your need, and can also preview a document before printing it.
We can do lots of work along with the documentation, like we can use graphics or drawings, or we can make pictures or drawings on it to make the documentation much more attractive. We can copy or move some of the text or the portion of the text from one location to another to reduce the rewriting the same thing. We can also preview the text before printing it, so that if we are having any kind of flaws in it, we can fix them. We can take multiple printouts. So that means we are having so many features in the MS Word to reduce the workload on us.
Note that in Microsoft Word, a file is saved with an extension .docs. Now let us talk about copy formatting to another selection. The Format Painter tool is used to apply text formatting and some basic graphics formatting, such as borders and fills, to another selection. Select the text or graphics whose formatting you want to copy.
Click on the Format Painter button in the Clipboard group on the Home tab. The pointer changes into a brush shape.
Now apply the copied format by dragging the brush over the desired text. The formatting attributes of the previous text will be applied to the selected text. Let us have a quick view. To save a document, press Ctrl plus S key combination. Now let me share a tip. To copy the formatting effect to multiple text, double-click on the Format Painter button and apply the effects. The Format Painter is a toggle button. To turn off the Format Painter, click on the button again.
Let's see how to use Format Painter. First of all, just apply some of the formatting style on any of the text. Now select the text whose formatting style we want to copy. As the text is already been selected, now just go on to the Home tab and select the Format Painter. Now we can see that cursor is being changed into brush icon. Now just drag your cursor onto the text where we want to apply the same formatting style. Here we can use Format Painter for just once. But if we want to apply the same formatting style on multiple text, then we have to double click on the Format Painter button that is present on Home tab. Now again the cursor will change into brush. Now we can use the same cursor or by dragging on multiple text where we want to do the same formatting style, or where we want to apply the same formatting style. We can turn off the Format Painter by just clicking on that same button again, or we can use Escape button on the keyboard.
Okay, now let us learn how to apply subscript and superscript effects. The subscript option places the selected text slightly below the baseline and makes it appear smaller than the rest of the text. On the contrary, superscript option places the selected text slightly above the baseline.
Type M2 and select 2. Click on the Font dialog box launcher on the Home tab.
The font dialog box appears. Select the superscript checkbox under the effect selection. Click OK. You will notice that 2 will be placed above the baseline. Similarly, you can apply the subscript effect to the text. Now let me share a tip with you. Click on the subscript or superscript button present in the font group on the Home tab to apply the respective effects on the selected text. To apply other special effects on the selected text, click on the Font dialog box launcher. Select the required font effects in Effects section like Strike Through, Small Caps, All Caps, Shadow, etc. Students, do you know that we can press Shift plus Delete to delete files or folders permanently?